Standard 4th, Subject General Knowledge. Lesson number 5, My Body. So students, my body means we have different parts in our body. So students, now let us see what type of part they have given us in this lesson. First, we will learn about bones and muscles. Bones shape our body and help us to stand up straight. Muscles are attached to bones. They help us walk and run and smile. All the bones in our body make up our skeleton from the top of our skull to the tips of our toes. Muscles stretch across our bones and are attached with tendons. So students, this is known as bones and muscles. Second, we will learn about pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs. The air sacs may filled with fluid or pus and causing cough with pus, fever, chills, and difficulty breathing. A variety of organisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, can cause pneumonia. So, students, this is known as pneumonia. Third, we will learn about jaundice. Jaundice is a condition in which the skin whites of the eyes and mucous membranes turn yellow. This yellow color is caused by a high level of bilirubin, a yellow-orange bile pigment. Bile is fluid secreted by the liver. Bilirubin is formed from the breakdown of red blood cells. So students, this is known as a jaundice. Fourth one, we will learn about leafy vegetables from which we get iron. About 70% of your body's iron is found in the red blood cells of your blood called hemoglobin and in muscle cells called myoglobin. Hemoglobin is essential for transferring oxygen in your blood from the lungs to the tissues. Myoglobin is a muscle cells accepts, stores, transports and resells oxygen. So students, this is known as a leafy vegetables of iron. Fifth one, we will learn about blood cells. Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transport metabolic waste products away from those same cells. In vertebrates, it is composed of blood cells suspended in blood plasma. So students, this is known as red blood cells. Sixth one, we will learn about muscles. There are about 600 muscles in the human body. The three main types of muscle are skeleton, smooth, and cardiac. The brain, nervous, and skeleton muscles work together to cause movement. This is collectively known as the neuromuscular system. So students, this is known as muscles. Seventh one, we will learn about heart. Heart is a muscular organ in most animals which pumps blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system. The pumped blood carries oxygen and nutrients of the body while carrying metabolic waste such as carbon dioxide to the lungs. So students, this is known as a heart. Eighth one, we will learn about lemon from which we get vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 milligram of vitamin C, which is 51% of the reference daily intake RDI. Research shows the eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risks of heart disease and stroke. So, students, this is known as lemon from which we get vitamin C. Ninth one, we will learn about brain. The brain is one of the largest and most complex organs in the human body. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves that communicate in trillions of connections called synapses. The brain stem is between the spinal cord of the rest of the brain. Basic functions like breathing and sleep are controlled here. So, students, this is known as a human brain. 10th one, we will learn about hamburger. Science says that junk foods are full of calories, fat, and excess sodium, and having it even once can be bad for your health. For example, a single hamburger contains 500 calories, 25 grams of fat, 40 grams of carbs, 10 grams of sugar, and 1000 milligrams of sodium, which is enough to cause havoc in your system. So, students, this is known as a hamburger. Thank you.